and 4 expandable hanging rods. It was actually very easy to assemble. The instructions were clear. It had step-by-step guide. You can easily install it without any help. As long as you're following the directions, you'll be set and you can do it in no time. Set it up. My boys' closet was ready for an upgrade, and this was a perfect way of getting them organized. The load capacity for this shelf is 1,210 pounds. It is constructed of high quality carbon steel, sturdy and reliable. It is long lasting and features anti-dip devices to prevent unexpected falling. All the wire shelves and hanging rods can be lengthened and shortened 24 inches to 41 inches based on your needs. They are equipped with secured locking gadgets, eliminating the annoyance of expanding. This VIPEK X3 garment rack can be assembled in 2 shapes for different types of rooms. The horizontal assembly way for reach in and walk in closets, and L shape for the corner space. This was the finished project. It fit right into our closet that we have. Didn't have to do any readjustments. There are screws to screw it in place so it doesn't tip over, so that was great. And this is my finished project.